Hi, I'm LaShawn and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here and you want to be inspired on a daily basis, then this is the perfect place for you. Start now by subscribing and clicking the bell. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad you decided to join me here today. Today we're going to be talking about IRAs, individual retirement accounts, just a real simple video and to give you some type of idea of what it is and what's the best choice for you. Okay, so let's get started. An individual retirement account, which is also called the IRA, is a savings account with tax advantages that individuals can open to save and invest in long term. This is simply for retirement people. Like a 401k account that an employee obtains as a benefit from the employer, an IRA works in about the same way. It's designed to encourage people to save for retirement. So anyone who has earned income can open an IRA and enjoy the tax benefits. So if you work, you can open an IRA, and it's for the future. So, okay, you can, you can go through the bank, an investment company, an online brokerage, or a personal broker. But my personal preference would be a bank, because you're straight up at the bank or whatever. Everything else is a fee. Ain't nothing free, okay? Ain't nothing free. Everything has a fee, okay? Nothing's free anymore. So anyway, let's talk about IRAs. Let's break it down. Let me get focused. IRAs are retirement savings accounts, and it's got a lot of tax advantages, and we'll go over that. And the types of IRAs are, traditional IRAs, Roth IRAs, simple IRAs, and SEP IRAs. And it's a lot of IRAs to say. That's why I can't keep it straight, okay? Money held in an IRA usually can't be withdrawn before the age of 59 without incurring a hefty tax penalty. And that's about 10% of the amount of whatever you decide to withdraw. So, taking money from there wouldn't be just wouldn't be a good idea. There are annual income limitations also for deducting contributions to traditional IRAs. So you gotta read and find out the information, deciding on which IRA that you decide to choose. Anyone with earned income can open and contribute to an IRA, like I said. And if you got 401k, that's cool too. You can have both. The only limitation is on the combined total that you can contribute to your retirement accounts in a single year. So you got to check for your particular bank, whatever financial institution you use. And when you open your IRA, you can choose to invest in a whole bunch of financial stuff, like stocks and bonds and stuff like that, mutual funds. And listen, you can also diversify your portfolio with real estate. That is a very important thing. Now, listen, real estate investments are a powerful way to strengthen your portfolio, and you can determine which one is right for you, okay? So again, let's go over the different kind of IRAs. It's the traditional IRA, then we have the Roth IRA, we got the SEP IRAs, and we have the simple IRAs. It's all them IRAs, it's hard to say. Anyway, each has a different rules regarding the eligibility. Each has a different rule on taxation. Each one has a different rule about withdrawals. So I'm not going to get into that. It just would take too long. You have to research those different ones and find out which one is right for you, because they all got different rules. But remember, an IRA must be open with the institution that has received IRS approval to offer these accounts. So go by no fly-by-night place with your money, okay? So you got different choices. Again, let's go over this again. You could go through the bank, you could go through a brokerage company, you can go through a federally insured credit union, and also a savings and loan association. So you decide which institution you're going to go through. Okay, because IRAs are meant for retirement savings, there is an early withdrawal penalty of 10%. I've said that before. There are notable exceptions, of course. There's always exceptions to every rule. And the notable exception is that withdrawals for educational expenses, for example, and for your first-time home purchase, that is it. That is the only notable exceptions. If your IRA is a traditional account rather than a Roth, you will owe income tax on that early withdrawal. See what I'm saying? Leave the money in there, okay? Because they going to tax you on your own money, okay? You can only contribute to an IRA with earned income that meets the IRA definition, okay? So income from interest and dividends like Social Security benefits and child support does not count, okay? So what are the different types of IRAs? One more time. We're going to go through that again. The traditional IRA, we also went over the Roth and the SEP and the simple, but I think that what I'm going to do is just tell you about the main way to compare the IRA options, and then so you can pick yourself. Break it down between the tax-free distributions, the tax deductible contributions, and your employee contribution limit. Break it down, make a little chart, and then you decide when you compare these IRAs, which one is best for you. That's why I say you got to figure it out yourself. Okay? So you might be asking now, how can I start a Roth IRA, or how can I start a traditional IRA? Well, you could create your own individual retirement account at most banks, at most credit unions, like we said. Like example would be Fidelity, Charles Schwab, E-Trade are all examples of brokers that provide IRA accounts. So opening an account is really easy. It's easy to open an account and just visit their branch or visit their website, and it's easy. So all you have to do to calculate your time to retirement, you can do that with your financial advisor, because the right financial advisor will have to fit your specific needs. Okay, so recommending somebody ain't gonna help you. Because you got to calculate your time to retirement. And the best way to do that is with a financial advisor. Okay? I'm not going to go try to fix the toilet. I call a plumber. So if you need help with your 401k or your IRA, then you need to consult a financial advisor. Okay? That's all I got for you today. Remember, you got to make this money. Okay? Pay attention to what you're doing. Read, double read, and read that fine print. And make this money. Thank you guys for watching today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Take a minute to leave a comment. I look forward to talking to you soon. Bye.